Should pop-up coffee stands use drink recipe cards? Yes, they should use clear drink recipe cards because they improve consistency, speed, training, and customer satisfaction. A recipe card gives every drink a simple, repeatable set of instructions, including the cup size, coffee amount, milk quantity, syrup pumps, ice level, temperature, and finishing touches. This matters because customers expect their favorite drink to taste the same each time, even when a different worker prepares it. Recipe cards also help new workers learn faster because they do not have to memorize every detail during a busy event. A useful card should use plain words and show measurements that match the tools at the stand, such as 1 scoop, 2 pumps, or a marked pitcher line. One detail many people miss is that ice changes the final drink, since too much ice can make a cold beverage taste weaker as it melts. Another lesser-known benefit is that recipe cards help control costs, because careful portions prevent wasted coffee, milk, and flavoring. Keep the cards in waterproof sleeves near the preparation area, review them before opening, and update them whenever a recipe, cup, or ingredient changes. A common mistake is writing vague directions like "add some syrup," so use exact portions that any worker can repeat. Another mistake is making one crowded card for every beverage, which slows people down, so group drinks by type and use large, easy-to-read print. Some stands also forget to include allergy notes, alternative milks, or temperature limits, so clearly mark those details and confirm ingredients before serving. Finally, do not treat the cards as permanent, because a new espresso machine or cup size can change the results. Test each recipe regularly and adjust the instructions when needed. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.